here to discuss a topic related to uses of mobile phone in our day-to-day life. India is today one of the largest mobile phone market. Approx 1.2 billion people or the users are from India. Over 600 million people use smartphone and 85.5 million of the household owns at least one mobile phone. Internet users, if I talk about internet users, 944 million and are established with 4G and covering 95% of the population. But now 5G has been introduced, and in 5G, approx 87% of all the new smartphones has been introduced to the India. And I want to add with this, earlier in the urban sector, male use 89.4% smartphone, and in the urban only, female use 86.2%. But as compared to the rural sector or rural area, in male sector 79.2% use smartphone, but 75.6% are used by female.
And two and more, digital revolution comes in India. India has global in mobile data users for uses. Trend grows rapidly, 9.50 million in 2016, and now in 2025, 1.70 billion customers.
They are not just a mean of calling and testing, but also help in education, online, and business digital marketing.
I want to add in this. It boosted our digital payment, enabled online learning, created employment, and many more things that we learn from the mobile. As we know, in COVID-19, all the sectors and all the businesses are transferred to the mobile only. The classes which were held was online. The businesses was online. The meeting which was held was online. I think it is a great impact in that year.
And two and more, digitalization and digitization during when 5G comes in India, tele density overall according to 82.7% increases, and in urban sector 125 to 126% increases after digitalization and digitization, and rural area 58 to 59% increases.
I want to know mobile prospecting in a sales or marketing context. This means using a mobile device, phone and tablet to find out and connect with the potential customer or clients.
And we are also use mobile phone for internet access, entertainment and online banking.
And add more, in India digital transaction goes to around 181.23 billion person uses UPI digital marketing.
I want to add more. There are many uses mobile phones like navigation, shopping and businesses, e-commerce, and emergency just connected with like police, ambulance, and fire brigade. That's it.
And now my main topic is, now we live in a revolution in digital world, and a smartphone is the biggest thing when we we communicate easily to each other. But rapidly growth of negative things by the mobile phone, because nowadays when a child, the age is 4 years, when you give him mobile, he is living just like happy. But when you not give him mobile, just like he is a medicine, he not live with happy life. He can't play with grounds.
He got addicted with that phone.
So how you can tell me कि when mobile phone comes in our life and it is a revolution? It's a negative things.
Yeah, I want to add in that. The negative impact of the mobile phone is it becomes an addiction for the children as well as the adults as well as the whole society.
Not only one children, but also we all.
For the whole society, it has become an addiction, and moreover, there is a positive and negative aspect both. there the negative aspect is moreover cyber crimes are happening just because of the mobile phone. Most of the we can say that most of the fraud scams are still being going on the real time just because of the mobile phone.
And to add more, we need to add something ethics and value.
Yeah.
What I need to think, what is better for me and what is not better for me.
And in a positive way, we use mobile phone for time management and use calendar and reminder.
Also, during using mobile phone, it defines your success.
You might simply be asking how to use something can app and site a service frequently.
Our India is becoming so much rich in mobile phone also because most of the companies are going to manufacture over here. As the data has said that our Apple was not in India, but now Apple has opened their branch in India so that they can manufacture their product and sell the mobile phone, sell the Apple product in the Indian market. As we know that India is very big in the market and it contributes a lot over the economy and it provides a lot to the economy to the Apple also.
And too many countries invest, too many foreign countries invest money in India. But do you think negative aspects for our society? Because when you use mobile phone, it's harmful for you. Both have positive and negative aspects. But we need to understand the ethics and value. Why we need to use it and why not we need to use it. After when someone is studying class 9th, we can take him mobile to go through the online classes. But it is not good for him. We need to participate in offline classes so they can easily understand about how they understand. And also, too many scientists in our growth. One research I can listen that during when revolution happens, mobile is addiction, and that cause our mind is just like decreases, ability decreases, and that cause too many scientists are not going in upper level. And it's a revolution. We live in revolution. We can make bombs, too many things with the help of mobile phone. But how we can understand about ourselves? We can destroy nature also.
Again, the negative impact is about the mobile phone is that we are Indians. We are all fed up with the gurukuls. But because of the mobile enters in our called as classes or called as in the school area, we used to use that phone in the school hour and in the class. That is not our from gurukuls. In the gurukuls we study, we respect our teacher a lot. But because of the mobile phones, where we are maintaining makeup noises and we are disturbing our classes and we are disrespecting our teachers. I think it is a great negative impact, which I totally agree with your statement that it has a negative impact also. But it is a revolutionary change, but we have to accept that change and move on with this.
And one more, do you think, according to me, when some teachers delivering some speech in classroom, and some students are using a smartphone in back benches. When teachers are taunting him, the students are started to taunting to teachers, and also if teachers taunting hardly, then I think students beaten to teachers. Why they are coming here? They are coming to a study. In ISM, I see when teachers told him you don't need to use phone because I need to deliver my speech. But the student uses. So this is the good things for you. You can respect your teachers. Not. Can Ram and Lakshman born in this world? No. So why it happened? We use in evolution world. So how we produce our good things in our society.
At the end, I want to add that it has both positive as well as negative aspect of the uses of the mobile phone, and it gives a lot. It all depends upon us that how we are using that smartphone. If we are using it in a positive way, that it will become a positive result, and if we are using that smartphone in a negative way, then it will result in negative factor only.
It is totally depend on our mindset, how we use mobile, and in another negative way,
both quality,
Yeah.
also poor and rich